Guys, what's up? I'm Brandon here from Ideal Rockaway. It is a little too cold and a little too damp on the ground to be doing this video, but we decided to do it anyway because we wanted to get one more demo shoot in before the end of the year. This is one of our mini Rockaways, one of our 44-inch wide models. These are for stand-on skid steers. Rockaway does make two full-size. We make a 74-inch and an 84-inch wide Rockaway as well. But we wanted to do a full demo overview of our 44-inch Rockaway. As you watch, once we start running it, just take with a grain of salt. The ground's a little too wet and damp, so the front of the hood is not going to filter dirt out super great, and the screening bucket's probably not going to filter good dirt back out really well like it would in drier conditions. So just take all that into account as you watch, but we want to show you this thing operating. We want to kind of tell you about it a little bit, just so you can see if you have a stand-on skid steer and you do any kind of landscaping, hydro seeding, sod installation, or just general job site cleanup, that these attachments are really great for getting rocks and sticks out of the dirt and for conditioning the soil, for prepping for whatever you might be putting down next. So come in a little closer, check this out. The way the Rockaway works and is designed is we've got a rotor underneath the hood with two sets of spiral patterned teeth. Those teeth are made out of Hardox 450 steel, and they chew up the ground, they condition, scarify, whatever you want to call it, and then they also pull out rocks and sticks and all the unwanted debris and stuff like that. And we have screening buckets available for our landscape rakes. So not all landscape rakes come with screening buckets, but ours do. Those are 3/4 inch by 3/4 inch diamond shaped openings. And those allow you to, in good conditions, when everything's dry, that allows you to filter back out some of the good dirt that you want to leave on your job sites. So these things work really good in optimal conditions. Like I said, it's a little too wet today, but we're going to do our best. We're going to show you these things, how they operate, what speed you want to run them at, that kind of stuff. So keep watching, check this out. All right, guys. So like I said at the beginning of the video, you've seen it's a little too wet. These conditions were not optimal, but we did get some good runs in with the Rockaway. Hopefully you see how it works, see how it dumps. It definitely did powder everything up nicely, but everything's still a little too wet. Screening bucket didn't really screen anything because it was just too damp in there. But this is what a Rockaway is. For stand-on skid steers, it is a great attachment for rock removal and for soil conditioning and prep like that. So if you guys want to know more, just go to our website, idealrockaway.com. You can also check us out on Facebook and on Instagram. Obviously, watch more of our YouTube videos here on YouTube if you want to do that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. I don't know what he's doing.
I don't know. I know you don't.
Freaking gave him a camera. He just goes crazy.